Hi, so today I'm going to show you all how to register for a Samspra course. The first thing you want to do is go to samspra.org and click on Weekly Classes and Offerings right under that tab. Here you can browse through the different classes that Samspra is offering this semester. Say you want to sign up for my class, Dance Movement, you can go ahead and click the class exactly and hit register now to get started. So you'll see this Google form here, and it has lots of important information, the term dates, the $40 non-refundable registration fee, that's just a one-time fee, and then the different ways that you can pay Samspra for the class via Zelle or via check. So you can stick your email in there. And just for the purposes of this form, I'm just going to put some random letters, but please put your real information here for this part. So here, if your student is interested in signing up for more than one class, here's where you can select all the different ones that your child might be interested in. And if you have a second child who you're registering, you can click yes at that point, and that will direct you to the same exact page to go through the process again. Then you come up here and fill out all the parent information, contact information, and then here are your different payment options. There's term payment, monthly, and one-time drop-in payment, and all the information about those different options, as well as the cost, can be found on the website and right above in the fee and payment tab right here that I've highlighted. Also, feel free to email admin@samspra.org if you have any questions. And here is the liability and policy form, so please make sure you read over that before clicking I agree. Your signature is just your full name. And you're done. You can hit submit. And this should be the submission page you see just to make sure you've done the process right, and you should get an email confirmation as well. So here's how you're going to do the payment part of the registration process. Go ahead and click register and scroll down to quick view classes fee and timings. When you click that, you can see the semester fee and the monthly fee. So whatever you had selected when you filled out the Google form, you'll just follow that number to determine how much you're writing the check for or sending money via Zelle. So if you're signing up for my class, the dance movement class, you can quickly see what the charges will be. If you're just signing up for like the one-time class, that's universally $15 for every class. And you can go ahead and add up all the amounts for as many students, for as many classes as your children will be taking. When you click payment methods, you can see the different ways that you can actually pay. And don't forget that there is a $40 one-time fee for each student. We're excited to see you at Samspra.